Bitcoin has been doing awesome this year, but in the last couple of days, not so much. Well, actually, I should say in one day, not so much. I'm going to read this article here. This is Business Insider. And then I'm going to show you what Bitcoin's done over the last year so you can see what kind of growth is like on it. So it took 20 minutes for Bitcoin to erase a week-long rally. Bitcoin saw nearly 1 week's worth of gains wiped out in a span of roughly 20 minutes Sunday night in New York. The cryptocurrency saw a sharp 6.5% plunge around 9 p.m. Eastern, moving from above 43,300 US dollars to as low as 40,659. Data from the Trading View shows. The price of Bitcoin hovered at about 41,711 at 11:30 a.m. Eastern on Monday, down by about 4.8% in the last 24 hours. Ether, Solana, and other tokens also sold off as trading began in Asia on Monday and were still down as the trading day got underway in North America. The cause of the sudden move down was not immediately clear, but CoinGlass data cited by CoinDesk shows a flurry of positions liquidated in the 12 hours beginning on Sunday evening, with upwards of 335 million in liquidations across cryptocurrencies and about 300 million of that in long positions. Bitcoin alone saw more than 89 million in liquidations. Wow. That's funny because in relation, Bitcoin makes up probably of the market cap about half of the total market cap of cryptocurrencies, and it's only related to about 30% of the movement. So it's showing that people are actually holding, which is that's good, I guess. I don't know. People are taking long positions on Bitcoin, which well, I guess with this year the way it's moving, they're gonna do that. Volatility is expected this week as traders await key November inflammation, same difference. Inflation data on Tuesday, and the Federal Reserve delivers its latest decision on monetary policy on Wednesday. Stocks have wavered to start the week as investors brace for a packed event schedule. Wall Street largely expects central bank policymakers to make no change to interest rates until early 2024. Economists at ING, for their part, have predicted the Fed will cut rates 6 times next year. Wow. Last week, cryptocurrencies were enjoying an early Santa Claus rally, with Bitcoin changing hands uh, above 44,000 on December 6th. Various other tokens also saw strong gains as bullish traders piled on growing optimism around events like the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US and the upcoming Bitcoin halving in mid 2024. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know they were doing that. A halving event. That's nice. That's going to get a lot more Bitcoin out there. So it's always a good thing, I guess. Despite the sharp sell-off to the start of the week, Bitcoin has notched more than 150% gains in 2023. And I'll show you that right now, actually. So here's the chart here. You can see that. Look at this over the year. So we started January 2nd at 16,675, and as of close, December 11th here, 41,168. So 150% growth. That's massive. Could be. I don't even know if maybe that might be the best year for Bitcoin ever. I'm not sure, but the 5-year chart. Let's see here. Why aren't you showing me the 5-year chart? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So December 15th of 2018, $3,183. I mean, man, if you bought, look at this. Whew. I mean, it has what was the top? 64.4. Wow. Man, if you sold then, that'd be good. But it may have hit kind of a plateau. Maybe the 40,000 mark could be where it's kind of, it's low shelf. Who knows? We'll have to see next year. If next year's another sort of bullish market for it, it may never get below 35, 40 grand again. So, good news for some Bitcoin holders. I'm not one of them, unfortunately, but I think it's I've said many times what I think about this coin. I think it's too tied to the market now. So I think as far as the way cryptocurrencies are supposed to be and decentralized, I don't think this coin is particularly decentralized. But looks like a lot of people are making a lot of money on it. So I guess good on you.